Hello friends, welcome to my channel Megha's English Galaxy. My name is Megha and today is the day 4 of my 60 days English speaking challenge. In today's video, I am going to share my experience when I received my first salary. So without wasting time, let's start today's video. So friends, the day I received my first salary is still very special for me. I received my first salary not from a job but from tuition classes. I started giving tuitions just after my class 12th exams and my elder sister was already teaching, so I joined her and started providing tuitions. I remember I bought a very beautiful sari for my mother and I bought something for my father also, but I didn't remember exactly what it was. But what I clearly remember is the feeling. I was over the moon and I thought that it was my responsibility to buy something for my parents because they had always supported me. They fulfilled all my dreams and they always bought things for me, whatever I asked for. So it was, that moment was very special for me and very emotional as well at the same time. So yeah, the day I received my first salary is very special for me still and was very special at that moment also. And I started earning very early because I am the person who believe in the financial independence of women and girls, because it gives them the freedom to make their own choices and decisions. And friends, if I talk about earlier time, women were dependent on their parents, brothers, and after marriage on their husbands for financial support, which limits their ability to make their own choices and decisions. But financial independence is the thing which allows them to have the freedom to make their own choices and decisions and gain the respect they deserve. Along with that, I believe financial independence gives them a sense of pride and contentment, which is very important for the well-being of women. And in case of in unfortunate cases like loss of a life partner, lack of financial support, and unexpected crisis, being financially independent ensures that women can support themselves. So that is why also financial independence is very important. Moreover, financial independence benefits the entire family. In today's world where the cost of living is increasing day by day, when both the partners earn, it ensures the better lifestyle, better quality of life, and provides better opportunities for their children. So that's why I believe in the financial independence of girls and women. And these are some points through which I shared my thoughts on financial independence. So friends, that's all about today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Megha's English Galaxy. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next practice video.